Hi everyone. This is a tutorial on playing the ukulele. We're only going to be playing two chords in the song. We're going to be playing Singing in the Rain, and it's a great one to just get used to strumming and switching chords for the first time. The first chord is a C. The second chord, you can just slip down your ring finger down one fret to the second fret on the A string and create your triangle to make a G7. C and G7 work really well together, and they're in lots of songs. So let's try it out. And we start out on a C. Do 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 do. Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so high up above. I've a song in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase all those clouds from the place. Come on with the rain, I've got a smile on my face as I walk down the lane in a happy refrain. I'm singing, just singing in the rain. Do 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 do. Happy strumming!